Hey, what's up, fam? Hey, today I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious chicken noodle soup. Hey, just like this, simple recipe, packed with chicken, packed with flavor. Absolutely amazing recipe, fam. Hey, I'm gonna get you in the game. Let's go down to my workstation so we can make an absolutely delicious chicken noodle soup. Yes, sir. So we just need some simple ingredients, and we got that. Couple ribs of celery here, and then we got some baby carrots. And you can cut your celery however you like. So I'm just gonna go down the center like that. Just like that. Nothing too big, but just like perfect sizes of celery in every bite. And then we got our baby carrots, and again, this is why I love baby carrots, because really it's almost a perfect size. And then once you cut them down, I mean, you don't have too much, carrot. And it's just, again, the perfect size for me. Take a look at this right here. Once you cut them, good size. Like I said, perfect carrot and then perfect celery in every bite. Only other thing that we need to do is get us an onion and dice this up. Simple ingredients to make an absolutely classic recipe, but I'm gonna show you how to take this to the next level and make this chicken noodle soup absolutely delicious, fam. So we'll get this onion diced down. Now we got all our veggies prepared. Now we got 3 chicken breasts. We got 1 larger and then 2 on the smaller side. If you want to make this recipe a little bit simpler, hey, I'm gonna tell you, you can go ahead and get a rotisserie chicken, but I'm gonna show you how to flavor this chicken noodle soup. Classic recipe, but we're gonna take it to the next level. So we go in, butterfly our chicken breasts. Now we're gonna go back and we're gonna season them. We're going in with some onion powder first. Hit it with a little garlic powder. And then I'm going in with my baptizing Cajun seasoning. We're gonna mirror this on the front and back of this chicken. Just press it down so we can get a nice little contact of the seasoning. Now we got everything seasoned well, even my fingers. I'm gonna tell you this right here, this is gonna elevate your chicken noodle soup. Take a classic meal and make it absolutely delicious. Now we're gonna go in with a little olive oil, and then we want some good heat in this pot. We want to sear this chicken. And when your sear is complete, chicken should release like that. And if you want it a little bit darker than that, hey, be my guest, you can continue to go. But to me, a little bit of color, that's good for me. Now I did flip this one an additional time, but like I said, I'm not cooking this all the way through. Get enough color on it, and then we'll sit this to the side because we'll chop this up. So I just sit this on my cutting board, let it rest for a little minute while we get this last chicken breast also with a little color on it. So we got a bunch of fun in the bottom of this pan. I'm gonna go ahead and add me a little bit of butter along with my onions. And then we'll let these onions and this butter start to pick up some of that fun off the bottom of the pan. Also at this time, you may want to decrease your heat. And this may not get all the fun off the bottom, but we will deglaze this pan or pot in a little bit. But as you can see there, starting to get some of it up. So right now, we went from like a high, medium high to like a medium low. Like I said, we don't want to scorch these onions, just let them sweat. And then once you got all that fun up off the bottom, we're gonna go ahead and add in our celery and our carrots. And I'm also gonna add about a tablespoon of minced garlic, and then we'll just Let everything cook until that garlic becomes fragrant. And again, this is to build flavors in your pot. So flavoring up your pot before you start adding in your liquid. Now while we got those veggies going, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of chop up my chicken. Like I said, this isn't all the way done, and chop it however you like, but this right here to me would be a perfect size chicken chunk to make a bite into. And you know, some of these pieces here, I might just hit it, you know, like here, and then go back and then cut it in half like that. So we'll get all this chopped up while we let those veggies do its thing. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add this back into my pot, and then this will allow this to cook, continue to cook. And we got all our chicken in, so we'll just give this a little toss. Now, I did say this is a chicken noodle soup, right? So to me, if it's gonna be a chicken noodle soup, hey, we gotta have a good bit of chicken. And once we got everything incorporated in, we're gonna go ahead and add in our liquid. Going in with some chicken broth. And then we wanna bring this up to a boil. And this way it'll cook the chicken the rest of the way through, and then it'll get it ready for the final process, adding the noodles in. Now I'm adding in 12 cups of chicken broth. I know you probably say that's probably a lot. Now, to be honest with you, if you want to cut this recipe in half, you can definitely do that. But I got 5 people in my family, and they love to eat. And when you add these noodles in too, you want to have enough liquid so it'll cook those noodles, and then you still have enough so it can be chicken noodle soup. So we'll put a lid on this and let this come up to a boil, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. We in the game. Now, one thing I forgot to do before we let this come up to a boil, hey, we adding in 2 bay leaves, like so. Let this thing come up to a boil. Now we in the game. All right, once we got everything up to a nice little boil, like so, we'll keep this top on it. What we want to do is we want to let these carrots become nice and tender. And then after the carrots become tender, then we can go ahead and add in our pasta, and then we'll be in the game. Let that pasta cook up, and then we'll have a absolutely delicious chicken noodle soup. So we let this go for about 10 minutes. And at this moment, you want to check your carrots to make sure they're tender, and we'll do that. So we can take a fork or a knife, and then you see right there, absolutely tender. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and fetch out those bay leaves. There we go. We got one more to go. Took a little while, but hey, there we go. Second bay leaf out of there. Now we're going in with our pasta. I got some elbow pasta, or you can call it farfalle, whatever you want to call it. Go with the pasta of choice that you like. I just like the look of these bow tie pasta. It look kind of fancy. Some people use angel hair pasta, and then some people just go in, you know what I'm saying, with some egg noodles. You can definitely do that too. But whatever floats your boat. I'm just getting the seasonings off the side of this pot so we can get it back in this soup. And we'll let this cook until those pasta, bow tie pasta becomes al dente. Hey fam, hey, we in the game. Our pasta is now cooked. We can kill the heat. And I'm just gonna stir this pot. It's smelling absolutely delicious, fam. And you let this cool down a little bit, get you a nice little bowl. But I'm gonna bring up a little scoop. You see all that chicken in there? Like I said, it's a nice little chicken noodle soup, fam. So look at this right here. Yes, sir. Hey, we are in the game. There you have it, fam. You seen how to make an absolutely delicious chicken noodle soup. hey, I got you in the game. You already know what your boy, the coach, got to do. Hey, I got to go in. Hey, give me a little taste test. Hey, it's a little bit hot. So give me a second while I cool this down. Flavorful. And I'm gonna tell you, man, hit the spot, cold day, or you know, you might be sick. That chicken noodle soup right here will get you in the game. Now, if you're new to my channel, you like recipes like this, go ahead, smash that subscribe button so you can get in the game and stay in the game. And for my Focus family that's been rolling me for a while, and you already know what your boy the coach got to do. I got to get back into the game, smash into this chicken noodle soup, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Hey, we in the game.